Hi, my name is Tyla. I'm an English major and I have taken 3 classes taught by Dr. Hooper, which are American Literature 1 and 2 and Special Topics. In each class, we were required to submit a research-based literary analysis paper at the end of the semester. It can sound intimidating, but Dr. Hooper has developed the process which allows us to slowly build on our paper throughout the semester. From my personal experience, I can definitely say that the process is so helpful when it comes to working on this paper. Although we know about the paper at the beginning of the semester, it can be so easy to put it off to the last minute because you feel like you have so much time. However, that time goes by very quickly, and it can often lead to you trying to submit things at the very last minute. Doing that does not showcase your best work. This is why I feel like the process that Dr. Hooper has developed is so helpful when it comes to writing your paper. There are so many aspects of the process that I feel are extremely beneficial to me and my fellow classmates. However, I feel that one of the best parts of it is being able to meet with Dr. Hooper during his office hours. Dr. Hooper requires you to meet with him at least 2 times throughout the semester when working on your paper. Not only does he give you feedback on everything you submit, he also wants to have an in-person conversation with you to see how you're feeling throughout the entire process, to see if your mind is changing on where you want to take your paper, to see if you need any assistance with finding secondary sources. Any questions that you have, any doubts that you're feeling, you can go to Dr. Hooper and he will definitely help you out through them. Some advice and encouragement I would give to students who are beginning the process is to really take advantage of every single step of it. Every step is beneficial to creating the final masterpiece that you're going to submit. Dr. Hooper is there for you every step of the way. Take advantage of the office hours. Take advantage of the required meetings. Take advantage of submitting everything on time and getting the feedback that Dr. Hooper wants to give you. The process is there to help you throughout the semester so you don't feel stressed or pressured whenever it comes to submitting your paper. If you take full advantage of the process and complete every single assignment that Dr. Hooper has created for you, then you'll be good to go. I wish you the best of luck.